Big up Crosses TV.
You have a visitor. Crosses TV can look for you.
What me I try to explain and get phone and know is that it's unfair for me and certain body man no friend. Or me no mind look at space or me no mind look at thing and me just avoid myself. Me just avoid myself from everything. Who sell off out loud my week? Oh, what happened? So me say I be pussy fat, so I be pussy not fat. No man pussy fat for sure. I be pussy fat. Yeah, but what me I say? Fuck that. It's unfair to me as a man. Big up yourself, Crosses TV. It's unfair to me as a man where me no mind look at zone. Me no fuck with people, me and them look a nigga, and me and them look a soft boy and a friend. Me and them look a faggot and a friend. Me and nigga, me take my look a vacation, me do my thing, me do my music, me cook my food, and me just easy box and me just watch everything. None of them pussy I can't violate me or diss me, and me and none of them pussy and a friend, so none of them look a pussy I can't diss me. Why is it? Fendi, you okay, Papa? Let me give you some treat. Hold on there, let me give my dog some treat. Cause you look like I'm gonna take you outside, baby. Just let me clear this up. Hold on there, baby. I'll take you outside. Bruh, let me tell you this pussy. Noel, they keep on to call up my name and pussy. Let me tell you this. Me and Fambo not have no problem. Me and Fambo not really friend, nothing. But me know Fambo that beat the fuck out of you. You come on and talk, kind of call up my bum buckle at name every minute, pussy. Like, bro, if you're a nigga have an argument, you and the nigga not talk, why y'all call up my name and try to start a problem with me and this man? You see me? Cause brother, I'm not even talking to you like nobody, but I'm talking to you like a real nigga to a nigga. Like, bro, why the fuck y'all call up my name nigga and y'all play me like some little pussy? Like y'all try to pussy me up and try to play me like me some little pussy. Cause you're there for your bum buckle life no pussy. Fendi, sit the fuck down. Sit, bed. You're there for your life no pussy. You see me? You're there for your life no pussy. And y'all call up my name. Pussy, if you're a fanboy attack and you're a fanboy argue, pussy, you stick to your thing. Don't call my name out of your shit suck cocky mouth, brother. Because guess what? You calling my name, you're trying to start problem between either me and fanboy or make people in the comments start to disrespect me and so. I'm trying to avoid things. Me and nobody on Instagram don't get along. I don't fuck with people because people on the internet doesn't fuck with me. Let me clarify that. The Jamaican people who follows me do not, I don't get along with the Jamaican crowd. I get along with the Spanish them, the white them, the Russian them, and those people. My Jamaican people, I don't get along with them. They don't fuck with me, I don't fuck with them. I don't have a problem with them, but I'm not really in at that shit. Y'all call me bumbuckle name for make people in the comments come and disrespect me and come talk shit about me. Pussy, y'all call me name, you don't know me, you don't know. Y'all talk about if you think I job this. Brother, me a bad nigga for you. Fambo rush me, I'm here to party. For all I know, Fambo rush me, I'm trying to approach me because him thinks me I talk to him boyfriend and me I pull with him boyfriend and him broke a buckle and rush me. So be to get into a fight and we fight and I'm done. Me just never gonna make no boy beat me or no boy cut me or stab me or take my life in America. Me have a 6-year-old, me have a picnic, me have to take care of. Me have my dog to take care of. Me love my life. So me violate him, I go in and I get on mode and me destroy him and him people. Me no come and me no use that pussy. None of you no bad like me, cause pussy if man run up on you turn idiot and run and piss and shit on himself. No boy can't run up on me nowhere. Pussy you could have badly come out, you can't up on me pussy if I solve the case. But open up your bumbuckle head. No boy can't run up on me pussy, you idiot. So when you come and talk about you think if you feel like I job this pussy, don't call me name out of your mouth, batty boy. Don't call me name out of your mouth, brother. Cause pussy, you come call me name and you talk about this pussy, you don't want me have no problems, don't you? Cause brother, me will meet you. Brother, I am not Fambo. I'm not upon this one bag of tracing. I'm upon this one bag of tracing. I'm upon this one bag of tracing. I'm upon this one bag of load buckle thing. Brother, I will thump up your face and bust up your face. And I will take off a piece of your flesh. Don't call me name. Avoid me. Me want them mad nigga there. Me want them mad youth there. If I go to school, you see them mad youth there. Me want them mad youth there. Stay the fuck away from me, brother. Don't call me name. Brother, me want no friend. Me want no batty boy you call me name. Me no fuck with them. Me no batty boy. Make the people them who me talk to call me name. Like people like Kenneth them. Even Kiki. You know me not really like Kiki. Kiki can call me name once you feel like. I don't give a fuck. I'm look at charge it. People me fuck with can call me name or people me rate can call me name. Pussy like me no know no pussy. Don't call me name pussy cause you call me name. Me I take it as a threat and as a disrespect pussy. I'm gonna see and thump up your face pussy. Don't call me name out your mouth brother. Batty boy. Me no want none of uno batty boy call me name. None of uno pussy. Cause none of uno bad. No trace like some look a bitch. On the internet and none of uno no bad. Cause none of uno na fight and say none. All of uno fuck with. All of uno fuckery. Uno fuck out. Suck a bag of hood. Brother, none of them make sense. Like, first of all, most of them argue with the man and attack that type of shit. None of them really make no sense. Most of them argue with Fambo, not even make no sense. Like all you, brother, because you turn around and cuss the man, but yet still you did make the man come here, yeah, they go give him fuck. Una nasty, una fucking a circle, una fucking one. Now you can't put me on no jokes, una fuck me and suck me with a put come. And I put una move fucking up. I one mistake me make and fuck with O'Neal. So una feel like so una could have talk up to me because what I did was lower my standard and put myself with O'Neal when I shouldn't have done that because me a higher class boy and better boy for O'Neal. Far, far, far. O'Neal am a dirty batty boy. Yeah. So people like who don't know when you stay, but they say don't call my name, brother. Don't call my name and don't call my name pussy. Cause everybody I tell me say y'all call him a bumbo clock name. And me can't tell you, me say I tell me, everybody I tell me, the girl part the thing I tell me, what's your name they I say to me to don't call my name, brother. Don't call my name out of your mouth, I suck your mother pussy. Big pussy Noel. And none of them friend them. If none of them friend them over here so too. If none of them friend them over here so they can tell him. Brother, you want name big pussy Gucci. No, he must say he like Fambo cow you. Then who call him name? What are you saying? What are you saying? Why are you bitch? You and him pretty pink beauty bar. I don't understand what are you saying. And the person with him Gucci. Ian, brother, you talk to me like you want to have a problem with me. Bitch, how you do come for defend the person you call me name? Talk to me straight no pussy so I can violate and diss you to pussy. Cause none of upon this, when I respect for none of, cause none of really like me, I don't really like none of you still, you know. So what y'all say, brother? Type fast now, let me know what y'all say pussy so I can come in and block you and I can violate and I can diss you. So talk fast so I can understand before me diss you. Come on, if I diss you, I try this, I try come for me. Yeah, try if I understand and ask a question. So pussy or up and type fast so I can know. Yeah, back to me I say. Y'all call just like me, I not call nobody name, but suck on me name. I don't know the batty boy and a friend. I got a batty party, one on the nasty, one on the mix. We fuck with one another. On the mix in a circle, on a sick. On sick, on sick. Oh, me and Fambo for beat out blood clot. That's no accident. Fambo can't manage my strength. Fambo, me fight, I got jail. My buy bail money was $20,000. Me and Fambo fight. That's how badly I destroyed Fambo face. Yeah, me know. Them boy you can't fight me. I'm gonna tell you. And when them come with acid, buckle, knife. Me tell people, I will take a blood clot stab and take out that knife and cut your throat, pussy. All I want to know who call your name. May I say Noel keep calling my name. Alright, you see what I'm saying? At least one person understand where I'm coming from. Him keep on repeating bumbleclad self like say Fambo did beat me. Pussy got suck your mother. Fambo never beat me, batty boy. Fambo will beat you or your man. Don't play with me, batty boy. Don't play me big pussy now. Cause you no bad boy. Pussy me don't know about uno. Me never hear about none of uno yet, pussy. You no bad boy. Go suck your mother. Come on, call my bumbleclad name. Me like you feel like say me your friend, pussy. Don't call me name out here, cause pussy Fambo. And if now your man Fambo beat me, pussy, me sure you can't beat me, cause I beat you or your man. I beat you or your friend them too. When I ask me alone, come not even have a call. When I have a call none of my people them, I call none of my Spanish lick them. Me alone will take on and chop out one on the blood clot. Hey, don't play my pussy or suck your mother. Come on, I can't come name about Fambo decide like I feel like I job this. Pussy, if I feel like I job what? You feel like a job what? You feel like a job what with what, Noel? You feel like a job with what? Because this is what I want to understand. Pussy, I say you feel like a job. This job with what, pussy? Why you call me name out your mouth, batty boy? And you don't just do it one time. If you did it one time, fine. If you only did it one time, fine. Said and done. I don't care. And pussy, you keep on a talk about if you feel like a job this. To be honest, I tell you God Almighty truth, you make me start a drink. Whenever I start a drink and people are fuck with me, I get violent. Pussy, don't call me name out here, because I know you make me feel like say, I want to start violate you for Fambo. Me and Fambo no friend. And you keep on a call me name to Fambo. You make me feel like I want to buy out Fambo thing and lick in your face. Yeah, because you call me name no pussy to Fambo. You know me and Fambo them is not friends. And me and them people that fight, I go, why? Yeah, you don't know me. This is the shit what me get with Batty man. You don't know me. I don't know you, we don't talk. Everybody know me and Fambo fight. Everybody know the situation between me and Fambo. So said and done, the court case done, everything dismissed and done. You go for this and I call my name no pussy. Oh, you make me feel like I want to buy out the man thing. I feel like I buy out Fambo thing, brother, and violate you and lick in your face. Because you are fuck with me. I never fuck with you. You call my name. Like say you're better than me, pussy. I say Fambo, they drape me up and box me up or do something. Yeah, I saw you at that. Because basically, I make sure I say everything now. I say Fambo don't say nothing about me. Fambo don't call my name. You keep on a call my name to the man I ignore you. Constantly call my name. Constantly call my name. So since you call my name and you want to answer, me give you an answer now, big pussy. No, well, you call my name and I feel like I job this. Alright, if Fambo did beat me then. Jesus, cocky big stop watch mode. Me not have an underpants, that's why. Because me did have a jerk off. Me did a jerk off, but me never bought a jerk off because I did a weird liquor. But me did that edge. So when me did that edge. So it's like when me jerk off, I'm coming, it's gonna spray. Because I always like for spray. So my edge. So I can spray nut because I like spray nut. No, me know me have my school, but that not stop me from lick a bitch na them face. You understand? Yeah, man, I like for spray my nut. At edge, me spray. When me I come, me spray. I don't know about one about me spray nut. Fabian can tell them. How do you can tell them? I spray whole heap and like my cup. Me almost blind him one time. I'm come whole heap. I don't know where me get them nut there from. But me come a lot. Me come crazy. Steve can tell her where Steve can come to blood like that. Call her watch one. Steve go there watch out and see whole heap and company something. Steve can tell her me come whole heap. Anyway, fuck that. When me pass the argument there. Yo, fuck, even Ramon, everybody can tell, even Princess. I come a lot. Fuck it. The fucking, nigga, I call up my name, brother. You make me feel like more on buy out Fambo thing, brother, and violent. You make me feel like more on buy out Fambo. I said, Jav, run down Fambo. Jav, run down Fambo. Jav, blood clot. You mean me run down Fambo? No, brother, I never run down the man. The man rush me, brother. The man rush me at the party. I'm going to go some boops and I start thump off him face and you know we get a look up all met him run go downstairs and I rush off time. I can't get him so I rush the boyfriend and the boyfriend say him can't fight. So I feel bad and I just load the boyfriend. I give the boyfriend a 2 slap. Keep it moving. But really I told me they want to fight Fambo because Fambo rush me for no reason and I never come with no fight and this because I have nothing against him. But that pass and then I go, I don't have no problems with him. But you big pussy Noel, yeah, call up my name like you want to answer. Job and his spray come Libra stop. Brother, you keep on a play with me, brother, like you feel like send me a friend. Don't play with me, nigga, me ain't a friend. Don't call me name out your mouth, big pussy Noel, cause Noel, as I told them, I put this out there, no pussy, me and you have problems, pussy. Cause you call me name with Fambo, like you want to bring me in a bumbo clad problem, batty boy. So me and you have problem. And pussy, man, me tell you this. I am not one of these little funny niggas where you feel like, say, you can't talk about, oh, we set a location. So I will really meet you. I will set a location and meet you. I am not Fambo, none of them look a batty boy or Emily or none of them. Like me, I call Emily name, come on, fuck up Emily. So me, I call Emily name, it's like me, you want to fuck up Emily. So you calling my name is that you want problems with me. Because when me, I say, I think a big pussy Emily this, or big pussy Destiny, me want problems with them because me not like them. When you mention my name to big pussy Fambo, you want problems with me, nigga. What she say, what? You can't take my hood. If you take my hood, you're gonna cream on. I don't know if you're a man or a woman or you want an alien. If you take my hood, you get too crazy and obsessed. I don't like giving out my dick. I don't give my dick to anybody because people get crazy and weird. But personally, yeah, so that's about it. Brother, I'm gonna fight you for real. No, I'm gonna fight you. Yeah. Yeah, I'm proud up with Fambo. I want Fambo bust up your blood clotted pussy. Yeah, can't call my name. Since I not job this, I want Fambo bust up your blood clot. Yo, when you look up batty boat, when I don't want to look up fish, you know. When you look up fish, I look up. When I know, when you look up common blood clot, common batty man. Cause you know well you want to look up common batty man. Cause your name call up out of a fucker. Cause remember one time, me and O'Neal did get together. And me hear some blood clot something with you when Nicholas them and the whole of them did talk about your pussy. You know nobody no. You know nobody no big pussy Noel. You want to look at dirty batty man or fuck everybody fuck you, know. Don't play with me no pussy, you fucky, you know pussy, everybody fuck you, know. Your name no call for nothing good in a brother. The whole thing them can call my name for and say, O'Neal say, I over them say. I don't give a fuck. When Fox can't get the grip them said, so I upset him, so O'Neal say, me not go back with him, so we'll talk anything. But no boy, a whole heap of people call up your name for fuck. No girl or no boy can come in for fuck. Pussy, don't play with me, go suck your mother pussy. I will violate your pussy, I will bust up your face, batty boy. Don't play with me. Love the hair though. Thank you, Milan. I'm gonna shoot in your back in a pussy move, man. No, we can't take me good. Yo, one time I on, like, you know one joke, one time I on vacation, somebody just come on the live. One time I on vacation, I'm gonna fuck that person, they will just come on the live and I'm gonna just go on vacation. I'm gonna fuck them in the car, like me I drive, I'm gonna fuck them while me I drive, I'm at Airbnb. And I start giving me heads. Me in a car, time me in a villa, Portmore Villa, me I drive the vehicle and start to fuck them. While me I drive, me I fuck them, I take my time when I drive, me I fuck them in the car and then the fuck so nice that I literally pull over the car from the side. And when everybody we are driving a Jamaica can't realize how fuck, but guess what? It gets so intense that the car start to shake. So I know say if people are passing, because see, I fucking at the car, so I just move the car and go. But you know yourself, you remember what I did in the car? You know yourself. Bumbo clad! Yo, we make your pussy wet. I guess what you bring the same pussy there to your man, forget it. And that's why I'm the vex today, because you make me fuck you and go to your man. You make me fuck out your wall. And you go to your man, but make you wet. I make you wet. You wet up the whole of the man car seat I'm rent the car from. Fuck them while me I drive the car. I've done some freaky shit. I done a whole heap of freaky shit. I do a whole heap of freaky stuff. It's just I don't like talking about it, but I do some whole heap of freaky stuff. But I used to like all jerk crap on the veranda so people can watch me. My mother used to give me some blood clot licky safe for them freaky shit there. But anyway, fuck that. Noel, I don't like you. I don't want you to call my name. Seal it, bumbo clot, seal. My cup drop to blood clot. Cup drop to blood clot. Hold on the people. Oh, Noel. I know why you call my name. I know why you call my name out to your mouth, pussy. And I want Fambo beat up your bumbo clot. What me say? I want Fambo give you some blood clot like pussy. Me say, I'm brother. If you want to call police for one, I'm not the business. But I want Fambo give you some. I want Fambo beat the fuck out of your nigga. And that me say, brother Noel, I want Fambo beat the fuck out of you. And brother, you see if I'm your Fambo them, I was all like brother and family, I say brother, just like how you call me name pussy, but make sure me see and bust up your face. Don't call me name. Don't draw me in a fuckery and time me in a fuckery. Cause you pull me in a boat, you pull me in a negative things when me don't in a. And them shit that will make me turn my rod upon you, brother. Cause you don't know me, I don't know why you call my name to this nigga. Yeah, more Fambo bust up on a bumbo clot head, brother. Go suck your mother, brother. And don't call my bumbo clot name out of your mouth. Focus, job, focus. Me focus, man. How you talk about me well focus? Me no want to call my name pussy. Me no want you call my name batty boy. Me own a friend. Suck with the mother. You see, me no go batty party. Me no go batty party because me no want to go. Me no go batty man batty party because you messy, you nasty, you weird, you negative. I understand? On a fucking weird. On is a big turn up. Job the judge tired of your job. Job the judge tired of your job. No judgment and lashes. I'm not getting on no problem. And you when Judgment Patrol. Judgment job don't make nobody dry. Judgment. Me I be honest here, Judgment Patrol, me nah make nobody draw me out. But you have to understand. The first time Noel call me name, people call me and me don't care. I mean him can say what I say. Second time him do it, me say, you know what, me just say, you know, I make it stay. Third time, him call me name, some of the pan. Today again him call me name pan him big live. Cause me get the screen recorded. But why the fuck you call me name? I the nigga want a problem with me or something? The nigga you call me name like you want a problem with me or something. So I'm say pussy, since you want to fight, you want a problem because you gonna use my bumbo clot name pussy. I must fight, you want to fight with me, you want to start bumbo clot violence. So I'm say pussy, alright, bring it the fuck out then Noel. Cause you call me name pussy like you feel like say you can come pussy me up or you can come do some little punk shit and you try punk my bumbo clot name pussy. Jabuke, me leave it alone, Jabuke. Me go allow it alone, Jabuke. Me go leave it alone. Leave it alone. But Jabuke, bruh, I don't want them fuck with me, my youth. I don't want them trouble me and people for tell them like, my youth, I'm my own lane, my own space, my own class, bro. I don't want them play with me. And people now tell them like, bros, don't call the nigga name, watch the nigga. The nigga now fuck with you now in and we load the nigga alone. Load me the fuck alone, but nobody now tell them that. So when people fuck with me, I retaliate people at them, bro, only enough for fuck with me, I now fuck with you, only me now coming down the way. Don't call me name. Bitch, I feel like say if you're nobody fight me, I call your name. If me and the person I argue, bitch, don't come, I'm gonna suck your mother. A big pussy girl are there. Yeah? Not fuck out girl are there. All that suck out girl are there. Hold on there. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this because I come off of this. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna talk it straight. You see, if for the rest of the day, you see for the rest of the blood clot day, you see for the rest of the day, I come over here and I hear that you click a live about my name, pussy. What I said, let me repeat it. You see, for the rest of the day, if I end this live and I click this shit, I hear say you call up my name. I respond to me, especially when time when you fuck with me first. And you call my name, just know so the war is on. And nobody Instagram can tell me if you know war you are. You can get your man. You can get your man, you can get your gay. Let me tell you this. You can get your man, you can get your friends them, you can get your foes, your little gay team, your little gay gang, your little faggot team, or your whatsoever, anything you want to do. You can get your little shit back, your little shitty friend them, or your toilet bone friend them. If you come different. I'm not afraid of none of uno. I'm take on the wall of uno. Because I know none of uno. You by yourself alone can't play with me. You're a roach, you're a cockroach. Like you, Noel, you're a roach. I don't looking at your background already, pussy, you're a roach. You're easy to me, you're a roach. Most of you on this are roach. Like people like Emily them and them, when you're a roach. When they just bad on the internet or bad because when I have backative. I don't got no backative. I choose not to use my backative. Me use myself because me alone better than most of you.